Okay, so this is the iRobot, the Roomba replacement parts for the cleaning cycles. Okay, so it's going to have the brush, the rollers, and the filters, which I'm going to show you how to change out the filter here. Okay, this is for the EIJ series. So you're just going to flip this open here after pushing that button. As you can tell, it's dirty, and here's the filter. So to get this off, you're simply just going to pull and push it away. So it doesn't click, it doesn't slide, you just literally pull it away from there. And to put in the new one, you're just going to push it right back where the other one was. So, and for us, if you run your Roomba daily, just once a day, we usually don't have to change this, but once maybe every month and a half. So it's a good little box set to get. You're going to get multiple filters in there and brushes. So it's a good box to have. It will also tell you on your phone when it's time to change these things. So like my phone alerted me and told me that the filter needed to be changed. To reset that, just click yes, reset status. And as you can tell here, it's going to go, the high efficiency filter will go all the way back down to 0, and then it'll alert you again when you need to rechange it out.